Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the 13-hour fast. Some people refer to this as intermittent fasting. The important thing to remember is that the research shows that for cancer cells especially, they need frequent high glucose feedings in order to continue to propagate. So what we want to do is help support our immune system by basically starving those cancer cells, making it so our immune systems can take care of those cancer cells. I like to give the example, which is kind of sad for hummingbirds, that they need to eat frequently, otherwise they will get weak and die. And the same is true for cancer cells. There is research that shows that cancer cells need high glucose, specifically feedings very frequently at almost 200 times the rate of regular cells in our bodies. There is a study that was done on 2,400 women called the Women's Healthy Eating and Living Study that followed women with early stage breast cancer. And they found that for women who did the 13 hours of fasting had a 36% reduced rate of breast cancer reoccurrence than those who did not fast for the 13 hours. That same study also found that women who did the 13 hours of fasting had a 21% reduction in mortality rate. Fasting triggers differential stress resistance, which is where healthy cells shift their energy from growth to repair, which can protect them from chemotherapy damage or other damage from environmental factors, but it leaves the cancer cells vulnerable to being taken care of by your immune system. A few notes about people who should not do intermittent fasting without really reviewing it closely with their medical care providers. These are people who may be underweight, malnourished, elderly, people who are having difficulty getting enough protein intake to support their immune systems. Also, people who are taking medications for diabetes should be very cautious, as taking the medication and doing the fasting can cause drops in your blood sugar levels called hypoglycemia. One final note that's very important. Please make sure you are staying well hydrated during fasting. Fasting does not include abstaining from water or clear, unsweetened teas. Please, please, please make sure you are staying well hydrated to support your body's health during the 13-hour fasting. Thank you.